So hi there, today I'm going to be doing a reptile competition video. The video must be anything to do with setup, feeding, care, anything like that. So when I mean well edited, I mean good transitions, good colour, just good effects on your videos. The videos won't be marked by me, it'll be marked by my friend. He'll mark it 1 to 5 and I will also mark it 1 to 5. Basically I'm marking it as well. You get a possible score out of 10 and the winner of it will be announced when I reach 245 subs, and he'll also receive a Samsung U10 HMX HD camcorder, and I'll just get it to prove. So here it is, HD, just to prove that it works. No cracks on the screen, works completely. So I just want to hope, well, the winner will be watching this video, so I hope you do the best and I can't wait to watch your video. Also, just to make it a wee bit more noticeable, it's a reptile competition. You can show his setup, hold him, feed him, anything you like, but I would, if you put feeding video, it'll improve your mark by a 3. So if you get a 7 and that could put it up to a 3. So that's your choice what you do. So I hope that you really spend effort and do it, and also this camcorder will definitely get sent in. Thanks.